Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. You're back. I'm back vlogging, maybe, we don't know, we'll see how it works. And we are back on the road. If you wanna visit one of the most beautiful, if not the most beautiful mountains in Europe, just keep on watching, because the next days we will wander on the Dolomites. We drove from Milano to Vicenza. First stop, I bought 2 batteries for my drone. So now I can fly up to an hour. Then we drove a little bit more north, Corlo Lake, just an amazing place where to be. And here we are, the Dolomites. San Martino della Castrozza is the small town just behind the trees. We find the parking just in the middle of the forest. It's not actually allowed, but shh. Anyway, I'm Italian, and this is my first time here on the Dolomites. It is something I should be ashamed of, but it's actually true. That's why we're gonna spend a month here. Yeah, we have to catch up with all we lost in the last 42 years. So stay tuned with us, because we're gonna bring you in some of the most beautiful places here on the Dolomites. That's how I do sound design. We had just a little bit of drama. Aria, probably she was stung by a bumblebee or bee, and she had a face like a chipmunk's, like that big. She gives some cortisone, and we're just waiting now to see if her face will get back on normal size. We found another nice parking, so back into the valley. If she need another injection of cortisone, we're not so far anyway. It's a nice place near the river and some small waterfalls. Sky is not great. We heard some thunders, so probably this evening or tomorrow will rain, and seems that the weather will not be great for the next week. So, you know, planning, but we'll see. For now, we just need to take care of the dog. Dogsy. She feel much better now, because yesterday she was dead. We had a bit of stress last night. We were worried because we didn't know what happened. But no, she's fine now. Enjoying the nature, taking a walk, and you know, wait for a chipmunk face. Anyway, we thought with Mel, we're 42 and 45, have a more balanced way of putting food inside our body and move our body. You know, you don't need a gym. The Dolomites could be our gym for the next months. We can take nice walks and hikes and maybe find some swimming pool or some lakes if they're not too cold where we can swim. I don't know, we kind of felt that we're not millennials. We have a middle kind of age. I mean, but our body still work perfectly. We don't want to have our body just to go to waste, you know. We just want to keep it in a good shape. Sometimes we work a lot in front of the computer. We just sit down inside a van and eating snacks and chips and all this kind of shit. So no more. Okay, let's go back to the van now. It was a nice walk anyway.